Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Sorry about any background noise. It's the best place I can get some good lighting is at the windowsill, and it's quite busy. There's some traffic going by, but we're going to be unboxing the OPPO Find X5 Pro. So yep, let's just, you can see there the partnership with Hasselblad. I think they're with OnePlus, are they? But they're partnered up with OPPO now, and I know this is not an important thing, but it's something I just enjoy, is like the sound when it takes a picture with Hasselblad, where it's like that. But yeah, let's go and get into the phone. There's nothing really you need to see on the box. So I'll just take everything out and then we can probably shouldn't slam it down like that. Is this 80 watt or 85 watt? What was it? Should say on it, but I'm pretty sure. I watched a few reviews and I think it's like an 80 watt charger. But yeah, that's really nice. Oh, a little adapter, didn't even notice that there. That's quite cool. And USB cable. So let's just, I don't think there's anything under that. No, it doesn't look like it's meant to come out. So we keep that in there and there. And I'm pretty sure that this will just be like documentation and stuff, but let me just get this out there and have a look at this. Okay, so that can go there. I'm trying to look over them. I'm actually recording this with the Huawei P30 Pro. That's my current phone. So I'm trying to look over that on the tripod if I ever look like I'm acting a bit weird. But I think this is like the join the VIP thing or something like that. Premium service, yeah. Or whatever. You don't want to work, you don't have to work. And I've just, so you get some documentation, but everyone knows how to use a phone. So we'll get rid of all that crap. But look, you actually get, it's, you know, not an expensive one, it's one of the, you know, the flexible ones, but you at least get a case to protect it. It's got like a nice texture there, and it's a nice smooth texture, and yeah, that's just nice that you get that. What is that? Okay, so the case, and then this is the SIM eject tool, is it? It must be. So let me keep a hold of that. And as you can see, I went with the ceramic white, and the other one is also ceramic, but it's not called ceramic black. I forgot what it's called, but it's what is it? Is it like phase black or something like that? But it's like it's a glossy one. But this one, I've not had a white phone in ages, and I love the panda effect, but yeah, that's ceramic white, and then that camera, God, that looks so good. You've got the Hasselblad partnership there. What does it feel like? Interested to see how the white, I mean, you can't really see it much on the white one. On the black one you can see the extra writing that they've got there. And does it come with, I need to take it to see, I cannot tell. I'm trying to check if there is already, it looks like there might be, yeah, I think there is. I think there is. That looks to me like there is a screen protector already on. Surely that's the screen protector. But yeah, that's nice. Save me the hassle. But you got the little hole punch there. Volume on. Oh no, is this the power button or is this the volume? So power button's there with the green accent. And then the volume button's on the other side. Got a nice kind of click to it, but it's this camera here that's, I just love that effect. And the ceramic white, the Hasselblad partnership with OPPO there. And I don't know if we will be able to get anything on. Let's see. Oh, I feel that vibration. Got an opportunity here. Hello. So, yeah guys, thanks for watching. I might cut the video here and add some extra stuff after I've played around with it. But, yeah, really happy with this. I need to go and test it out just to see if it is everything that it's meant to be, but, I mean, that just looks stunning, doesn't it? And just holding the phone, I mean, it's like, it's just got such a nice feel to it. It's bigger than my last phone. That might take a little bit of getting used to, just when you've been with something for so long, but yeah, absolutely in love with this, and thanks for watching guys.